Before you read, look at the title and the pictures. Which words do you think are in the text? And circle. So the title is Let's Cook. These are the pictures. Which of these words do you think are in the text? Cook, run, eat, food, dog, savory, bed, sweet. So please write the words that you think are in the text. Ready? What do you think? Is cook in the text? Maybe. Is run in the text? I don't think so. What about eat? Yeah. What about food? Is dog in the text? Is savory in the text? Is bed? Is sweet? Okay, these are the ones I selected. Cook, eat, food, savory, sweet. I think all these words are connected with the title and with the pictures. Run, dog, and bed are not connected with this title and with these pictures. Do you agree? Okay, good. Let's check.